up, y'all? Welcome back. I'm Ruby Yazelle, and welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, yeah, stop. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Ruby Yazelle, and I am here again. I decided to do another makeup tutorial. This time I decided to do something that I do every single day. Well, not every single day, let me not say that, but a quick makeup tutorial that I can do. That if I'm going somewhere, I will quickly just 1, 2, 3. Like, I'm gonna try my best to hurry up. Now let's get into the video. The first thing that I do, I put primer. I have 2 different kinds of primer. I like to put the jelly one. This is like a drugstore. I think also is like a drugstore. It's like a drugstore. This is e.l.f. jelly, Jelly Pop Dewy Primer. I still do put this on, even though I don't end up being dewy. I really end up being more matte, because I feel like if I'm a little too dewy, I get a little greasy. And yeah, so now what I'm gonna do is foundation. I'm going to use my Wet n Wild. There we go. And I literally put this where my problem area is. I put it right on top of that, and I just use the excess. Is the excess? I don't even know. I just put the rest. I spread it around. So I just put it all in my problem areas right here first. And then I start spreading it all around. So yeah, I'm gonna start with my foundation. My brush is dirty. Don't use a dirty brush or you will break out. But in this case, yeah, I'm gonna use a dirty brush because I'm that dirty helper. I like to pat it in. I pat it into my skin first. So you see it's hiding everything. You can't hide everything, but it's hiding something. And then what I do is I buff it. Don't mind my hair. Now what I do, I am going to use my concealer. I do a concealer now. Like I said, everything, it all depends on my mood. This is old, obviously, but this is Wet n Wild. I don't even have the color on here anymore. It's actually almost finishing, but literally this is everyday. I don't put it too underneath my eyes, but you get the gist of it. Now this, I do use a sponge. One second. I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. Wet sponge. Whew. So I got a wet sponge, and I just literally just dab underneath my eyes. This is literally quick. The rest, like whatever's left over, I just do it all around here. Literally. So yeah, so I do that. You can see under my eyes is Next, what I do, I set my concealer because I get creased underneath my eyes and I kind of don't like that. So I try to do this as quickly as possible. So, oh, this is what I'm using. Oh, Wet n Wild translucent powder. Everything's Wet n Wild. They're cheap, and to wear every single day, I will buy it. I pat before I put it in again because I don't want it to crease. I need it to blend. And then I dip it into my powder just like this. Dip all that. And I look up and pat it underneath my eyes. And I do that twice. Pat it underneath my eyes. Yes. Yes. And I do it to the other side. I look up and pat it underneath my eyes. Yes. And I pat it again. Yes. Sister, yes. Alright, so I leave that on my face because I want it to set. I want underneath my eyes to set, be bright. I love that whole shebang. Now what I do with the rest of my face, I use two brushes. I have my powder brush, which I use this sometimes. Everything I use is not always the same. It's like something quick and I'm just like 1 2 3 1 2. This one I swipe the excess the rest of the powder off with this brush, but I also do is I pat it into my powder and I get it into my nose. I pat it into my nose because you know you get crease on the side of your nose. I pat it there. I pat it right here and around my mouth. So here, it's around. So it gets out. Basically where I want it to be lighter. Don't mind my hair. My hair is wet, you know, and might as well do my nose, right? So then this brush, I do it for the rest of my face, just so that my foundation doesn't, you know, I literally just pat a little and I just swipe all on my face. Just so it can set my foundation. Sometimes I do things differently, but I'll be alright. Now what I do, I usually use a contour brush, but because I move so quickly and I'm like, oh shit, they outside. I rush. When I mean I rush. Or sometimes I'll be like, I'll just drive. I'll take my own car. No, I'm outside. No. I'll take my own car because I'm not going to be looking at them. This is Beauty Supply Store right here. 3D Ruby Kisses. Yeah, so let me just continue with drugstore. I'll continue with drugstore. So I do have some of the Hoola on this one, as you can see. But I use just a little darker shade. I just literally just tap. You know what I mean? And I just right here. I get my temples. I go right here so I can contour, make me look slimmer. When you think of contour, think of 5 pounds lighter, 10 pounds lighter, 15 pounds lighter. If you want to go 100 pounds lighter, then pack it on, sweetie. So I just literally swipe underneath my eyes. Obviously, I try to dust everything off, but then I dust everything underneath my eyes. Also what I do, I get a little bit of blush. This is a Milani. I don't think you're gonna see it too too good, but it's Milani. I just literally put a little bit of blush on my cheek. I put a little bit of blush on my cheeks just to pinken me up, you know. Just to rose me up. My eyebrows, I literally do them so quickly because my eyebrows came a long way. So I literally follow my eyebrows. I do this at the end because it's just something so quick. I literally just follow my eyebrows. But last but not least, I go in, this is what I do every day. I go in with a lip liner. Perfect. Now this here, I do have a Wet n Wild lip gloss that's kind of similar. No, it's not similar. It's more lipstick than this, but I'm sorry, I have to use Fenty because this is all I use. So, this is the finished look. This is literally, my hair will look better. Maybe tomorrow I'll take a picture. But this is the finished look. This is something simple. This is something, oh girl, what you doing? I'm in my bed. Come on, let's go out. No problem. And you do it so quickly. And trust me, like, it's quick and people are like, you put all that makeup on? Sweetie, only if you look. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think. See you next time.